Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 air fryers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading air fryer that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven, the Air 200. The Air 200 boasts a generous 6-quart internal capacity. That means you can cook up larger batches of crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even a whole chicken. Perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. This air fryer isn't a one-trick pony. It's got 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. So whether you're craving guilt-free fries or want to roast veggies to perfection, this appliance has your back. No need to be a culinary wizard. The digital display features 5 air fry presets. Just tap a button, and voila, crispy fries, tender fish fillets, or golden onion rings. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. With a powerful 1800 watts, the Air 200 lets you dial in the heat. Craving extra crispy fries? Set it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Want a gentle bake for your chocolate chip cookies? Adjust accordingly. Precision cooking made easy. Life gets busy, right? The 60-minute timer with an automatic keep warm function ensures your food stays piping hot until you're ready to serve. No more cold dinners, hooray for convenience. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Cuisinart Air 200, your shortcut to quick and easy meals without sacrificing flavor. Number 4. The Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart. If you're tired of juggling multiple dishes in a single basket air fryer, this one's a game changer. The Ninja DZ201 boasts not one but 2 independent frying baskets. Imagine cooking crispy chicken tenders and sweet potato fries simultaneously, no more waiting around. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking. With dual baskets, you're the kitchen multitasker extraordinaire. DualZone technology is where the magic happens. Choose the Smart Finish feature to cook 2 different foods in 2 ways, and they'll finish at the same time. Air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one sleek appliance. It's like having a mini culinary lab on your countertop. And when it's time to clean up, the dishwasher-safe baskets make life easier. Hosting a family dinner? The 8-quart capacity lets you cook mains and sides simultaneously. Picture juicy roast chicken and crispy Brussels sprouts sharing the spotlight. Each of the 2 4-quart zones has its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. Translation: precise cooking control. Crispy perfection awaits, whether you're air frying, broiling, or roasting. In conclusion, so there you have it, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart, your ticket to quick, easy meals with less guilt. Number 3. The COSORI Air Fryer 6QT. The advanced turbo blaze technology in this air fryer means you can whip up a full family meal in minutes. No more waiting around when hunger strikes. Roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more. It's like having an entire kitchen in one appliance. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops. The 5-speed fan system ensures your dishes come out golden, crispy, and oh so juicy. Whether it's fries or chicken wings, this air fryer delivers. Cook for a crowd with the spacious non-stick basket. From appetizers to main courses, it's perfect for family gatherings or parties. Get nutrition facts for over 100 in-app recipes. Keep track of calories, carbs, protein, and fat per serving. It's like having a personal dietitian. In conclusion, so, foodies, if you want guilt-free crispy goodness, space-saving design, and a dash of culinary magic, the COSORI Air Fryer is your new kitchen sidekick. Number 2. The Emeril Lagasse 26 Cutie Extra Large Air Fryer. This air fryer is a true kitchen workhorse. Whether you're whipping up crispy after-school snacks or preparing a feast for a crowd, the Emeril Lagasse 26 Cutie has your back. With a whopping 24 cooking presets, this appliance covers all the bases. From juicy ribs to perfectly toasted bagels, it's got you covered. And yes, there's even a setting for reheating leftovers, because we've all been there. Picture this: golden fries, crispy chicken wings, and flaky pastries. The dual-speed fan ensures 360 degrees superheated air circulation, giving you that irresistible crunch. Say goodbye to soggy snacks. The elegant French doors open with a single pull, revealing your culinary creations. Plus, the interior light lets you keep an eye on your food without interrupting the cooking process. In conclusion, in summary, the Emeril Lagasse 26 Cutie Extra Large Air Fryer is a game-changer. It's big enough to feed a hungry crowd, versatile enough for any recipe, and stylish enough to steal the spotlight in your kitchen. Number 1. The CHEFMAN 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven. If you're tired of greasy, unhealthy fried foods but still crave that crispy goodness, this might just be your new kitchen sidekick. Let's get cooking. Imagine having 2 air fryers in one sleek unit. The CHEFMAN Dual Basket Air Fryer boasts a combined 6-quart capacity, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Whether you're whipping up fries in one basket and chicken tenders in the other or experimenting with different flavors simultaneously, this air fryer has you covered. Thanks to DualZone air fryer technology, you can cook different dishes side by side. Crispy onion rings on one side, gooey mozzarella sticks on the other, no problem. The sync finish feature is a game changer. Both 3-quart baskets finish cooking at the same time, ensuring your entire meal is hot and ready. Dial in your desired cooking temperature with the digital controls. From 200 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle crisping to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that golden crunch, this air fryer adapts to your culinary whims. Craving French fries? Pop them into the CHEFMAN Dual Basket Air Fryer with little to no oil. Yes, you read that right, healthier frying without sacrificing flavor. In conclusion, in summary, the CHEFMAN 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer is a kitchen superstar. It's versatile, efficient, and delivers guilt-free indulgence. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.